Hi gang, Poppy here. Poppy after midnight. It's May 31st, 2019. I checked my stats earlier because my wife said something, and I have 10 subscribers. Wow. By the live stream on the 7th, I may actually have to drink that 12 pack that I said in another video. If I got 12 subscribers, I'd have to celebrate each one with a can of beer. Throw myself on the grenade, so to speak. Or 12 of them. Had rain. Somehow 2 hours of beautiful thunderstorm and lightning footage just disappears. I don't know. Now I understand why there's a real dearth of content in a lot of channels. See, for a half hour of video content, right? Hour or two just to set up. That's not counting the time you spent getting the stuff to set up. You know? And there's coming up with the idea to get the stuff to set up. And I personally know that as soon as you start, all kinds of poo-poo happens. And I hear other creators talk about, batteries in my GoPro died. I lost the best footage. Chip in my GoPro filled up. I didn't know it. I wasted all kinds of good footage on a full chip. Yeah. So I'm not alone. My big problem was the POV cam would get unplugged from its extension in the middle of filming. Taping, recording. Why say filming? Yeah. Anyway, Poncho went nuts. Poor thing. He was crawling up in my lap and whimpering. I couldn't make him feel good. Well, I'm gonna go for now, but I've got to record June 7th live stream update in about 30.